Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Apologize for my voice, I'm still sick, but I do want to come back with another video of stock of the day for you and kind of give you something that we're looking at, kind of give you some results over the last couple days and go from there. So if you watched the last video, we had two stock of the day picks. The first one was Regeneron to the downside. Off of this breakdown, which had a negative 7.69% day. Beautiful downside to play there. And the other play to the upside was Mara, which had a 19.8% day. So two absolutely huge days, or huge day for both of our stock picks. Don't expect that every day, okay? Don't expect that every day. That's not going to happen every day. It was just a tremendous day for both of our stock picks to the upside and the downside. But I do want to give you the next stock pick that I'll be looking at going into tomorrow. First and foremost, tomorrow we do have Fed J. Powell speaking, okay? Fed J. Powell speaking at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Fed J. Powell speaks. As we all know, J. Powell will move the market to the upside or the downside, okay? So if we're looking at the daily chart on SPY, the levels that I've been keeping an eye on are here, here, and then our gap fill up here. So as you can see, we did push through the two initial supply zone level, but we were unable to get all the way to our gap fill, and we printed a pretty strong reversal candle. You can see the whole 4 hour completely engulfed, and we filled at our gap. Now, one thing you have noticed is we are still holding above this key consolidated area. Okay, here's a key box. We're still holding above it, which is very crucial for the market. So tomorrow, J. Powell is going to move the market. That's all you really need to know as any catalyst to the upside or the downside. But I want to show you something real quick. I've touched on this previously, but I want to show you something in case you missed a previous video. Consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout. Are we about to see history repeat itself? I have no idea, okay? I have no idea, but I'm just giving you some charts to keep your eye on. We had a false break and we rolled right back over. We had a false break, rolled right back over. We have a false break. Are we about to roll right back over? I don't know the answer to that, okay? I don't. What I will be watching for is to see how we react off of this 921 EMAs. Do they finally come and start acting as support, just as we've seen them act as resistance here previously? That's what I'll be watching for on SPY. So tomorrow is going to be a reactionary type of day. All right, it's not going to be a predictive type of day. It's going to be a reactionary type of day because J. Powell is going to move the market. But with where we're at right now, it is quite interesting that we have consolidated drop, consolidated false break. Are we about to drop? We'll find out tomorrow. Powell has been very consistent with his pitch. Hey, we're not slowing down interest rates. We are going to continue kind of stepping on the gas of quantitative tightening. Obviously, that puts pressure on equities. So with that being said, another chart I want to look at is Dixie. Okay, is Dixie. Dixie is holding an uptrend at the current moment. This can even be extended out to here. It is holding an uptrend at the current moment. Keep a very close eye on this trend line. Okay, keep a very close eye on this trend line. This could act as support, and if it bounces, it's going to put additional pressure on equities. You can see that we have officially broken down today from a previous horizontal level. You can see we've bounced off of this multiple times. We are breaking down. So this will be very important to see. Do we hold around this 102 level or not? If we do, metals to the downside. If we don't, metals can continue to run. All right. Also, if we hold, it will put additional pressure on equities. If it doesn't, we can continue to see a bounce. All right. Leading a little bit into something else, VIX. Cheat code from last year, anytime VIX went under 20, it was a, that was when you sold everything, right? That's when you literally were just like, nope, let's short everything, sell all your winners, because that's kind of marks some key some key tops on the market. We're not there yet. All right, we're not there yet. We're at 21.96. So maybe we do get a little bit of a downside move to get back to 20 under there. If that happens, then SPY will go and fill its gap to the upside. So just a few things to keep your eye on. All right, just a few things to keep your eye on. I'm not going to give you any additional stock picks or anything today other than SPY, because everything's going to be dependent upon Jay Powell tomorrow. So once again, if you get value out of this video, please be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Best of luck going to the market tomorrow. It's going to be a fun day.